the Right Honorable Anita Amon, the Speaker of Uganda's Parliament, representing His Excellency Yoweri Museveni, the President of the Republic of Uganda, Dr. Sudhir Ruparelia, Josna, and the Ruparelia family, honorable ministers, members of Parliament, excellencies, high commissioners, ambassadors, Prince David Wasaja, dear mourners in your different capacities, I can, after the eloquence of all those who have spoken before me, I can only repeat, maybe in summary, some of the points already made. And I want to thank you for gathering here today to honor the memory of Rajie. Rajie, as we've heard, was not only a devoted son to Sudhir and Josna, a loving husband and father, and a loving friend to many, but also a passionate leader who dedicated himself to the family business and uplifting the lives of other people. His vision and drive, again, heard from various speeches, inspired everyone around him, and his kindness and generosity touched countless lives. As we remember Rajie, let us reflect on the joy brought into our lives and the legacy he leaves behind. Though he may no longer be with us in person, his spirit will forever live on in our hearts and in the impact he made on all of us. To Dr. Sudhir and Josna, Naya and Inara, Mira and Shina, and the entire family, please know that you are not alone in this grief. We stand here together with you, united in love and support for you during this unimaginable time. Let us cherish the memories we have of Rajie and honor his life by carrying forward the valuable and values he embodied: love, kindness, and a commitment to making a difference. We all say he has died young. That is true. But what time we spend on earth is not what matters. What really matters is what we do in the time we have. Me as a Christian, there are many old men in my village whose names I don't remember, who died in our area. We die old, who died when they were 80, 90 years. I don't remember them as I remember Jesus, who died at age 33. From what we've all heard, from what we all know, Rajie has gone in body, but Rajie, his character and what he represented will live forever.